Hi everyone, this is my day number 48 in front of the camera, English practice challenge. Welcome back to my day number 48 video, right? And then nowadays I am recording myself, then after a couple of minutes I will upload. That's my process nowadays. Before days, I did not post in my YouTube channels and like social media. Nowadays, I post my video every day, right? And then, so shoot, sorry, sometimes my tongue is gonna sleep. So sorry, right? And then today I have some questions, and then I will try to solve those questions, right? Then if you want speaking in English, right, and then you should to practice and then like record yourself, right? Don't hesitate, right? Without practice we cannot perfect, so that's why we need to spend more time in practice English. So yeah, like I have seen some students doing mistakes, right? Before they I did that type of mistakes. So that's why I suggest, right? I humble request, please stop doing that type of mistakes. Like just watching the lecture, for example, like take some class, teach some class, like coaching, and then before a couple of minutes you forget everything, right? So that's why, like, like learning with practice at the same time, right? This is the good way. And then we don't division, we don't need to division. For example, like this is a grammar, this is like vocab, this is a like speaking lesson. This is not necessary for us. Just what we know, just we need to use those sentence. just 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 practice. And then after a couple of days, and then gradually your brain focus like every way what I need in coming day, what I need to talk about the topics, and then we can grab gradually, right? So that's why first is most important for me, right? like like another people's, like whatever you want to like think, like say, it's no problems. Just what I know about the English, like how I learn, and then which method is fast. It depends person. I'm not gonna like just focus one way. I'm not gonna just all way, right? And then just I say it depends person how to learn. Some people grab the fast, some people grab the slowly. It depends person. And then let's go our question. My first question, it's not my question, but I take those questions from internet. And then my first question is, do you think education should focus more on practical skill or theory? Do you understand? Do you think education should focus more on practical or theory? For me, question say whatever, right? Education in our country, like in our society, there is not a practical. Sorry. That's my mistakes. Sorry. I'm gonna, I was just like doesn't understand that questions maybe, right? This question says us, do you think education should focus more on practical skill or theory, right? In our country, practical skill, sorry, in our country, focus theory more than practical skill. But we need, we need practical skill. It's most important because after qualify our education, like after our graduation, we need work, right? Work need to practical skill. If I don't have good like practical skill, and then I don't find any kind of job, any kind of work. So for me, according to our country, more focus theory. But theory is must, theory is necessary, but practical practical skill is more important compare with theory, right? But theory, for example, theory is just guide our way, right? Practical skill is they give us like how to use, and then what I need, and then what is the actual uh, using in our coming day, and what is the benefit in our coming day. Practical skills say us, right? For me, like it depends person, right? Whatever you want, like for example, if it depends person, they know about different idea, different concept about, sorry, it's the same question, and then what I know about the questions, and then I'm gonna tell this answer, and other guy is say different answer, right? But in our country, more focus theory. Theory is necessary, but theory did not give us practical knowledge, practical skill. So that's why for me, I more focus practical skill. Okay, and then what do you know about this question? Just write a comment, right? What I know, I told you guys, and then I will try to another questions. Another question is, mm, sorry. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? Okay, this question for you guys. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? If you have answer about these questions, I'm gonna repeat again. If you could change one things about the world, what would it be? For me, I could think I have so many. Just one thing, just I need to one thing say, right? Mm, one thing. It's very difficult. I have so many answers. Sorry. I have so many answers. And then I will try to another video, right? And then just you need to give you should to write a comment, guys. What do you know about this answer? And then I did not use connective verbs, right? So maybe you will try. So that's why I did not use another video. I will try use. So bye, guys.